Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can run DeepSeek. Now you can see if you want to run DeepSeek and use it, you can just go to their official website, deepseek.com. If you can't find it, just go to Google here and search DeepSeek. Now DeepSeek is the most upper one here, DeepSeek right here. Now you can see you have free access to DeepSeek v3. Just click on Start Now to get access to DeepSeek. And there you go. Now you're running DeepSeek. If I want to type in, for example, code me a simple Java application and I type enter, you can see I'm running DeepSeek like this. You see, it gives me my Java application. Now I can make it do more advanced stuff like, what do you think is Minecraft's source code? What do you think is Minecraft's source code, right? Now I'm gonna make him deep think or R1. So like this, and then I'm gonna give it to him, and you can see, okay, the user asked about my source code, and this is like their thought process, right? This is literally their thought process. This is thinking, and then after the thought process is finished, they'll give me an answer, right? And now this is the answer. Now you can see it really shows you their thought process, right? So the answer won't be just random gibberish like how ChatGPT sometimes does it. Now in here, you literally thought for 13 seconds. This is incredible stuff. So hopefully you know how to run DeepSeek now. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.